Oh. Why is it so blue?
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing.
1, 2, 3, go.
Is it on?
Good morning, guys, and happy Sunday. Today I decided to make a vlog because we have a lot of things that we want to do today, like spray painting the legs of the coffee table. I have a lot of cleaning that I want to do, so I thought I'll take you guys along with me. So I woke up and I did a workout, a Pilates workout. It was amazing because I slept wrong on my neck, so my neck was hurting me over here, so it improved this a little bit. Yeah, so anyway, we just made our coffee. I took a shower and I did my hair, put on a little bit of makeup. I think we might be seeing one of our friends today that just gave birth to two super cute twin boys. They are so cute, so I'm very excited to go and see them. We do have to wrap their gift though, so I'm thinking we probably have to pass by like Walmart or something to get wrapping paper and then watch a YouTube video on how to wrap gifts, because I have no idea how to wrap and you have no idea how to wrap. Yeah, so we're gonna have to watch. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure it out, watch a YouTube video. But yeah, it's nice that it's sunny today. Whenever it's sunny over here, I like to make as much use of the sun as possible and try to shoot content. So whether it's taking pictures or shooting a TikTok or shooting videos, I like to just make as much use of the sun as possible, because you never know. We've gone like 2 weeks, for example, with no sunlight whatsoever, so that makes it very hard to shoot content. But yeah, it's Sunday and I need to get the house in order because I don't like starting my week with a messy place, and I want to do a little bit of a deep clean. Yeah, what do I start with? I don't know. I just made my coffee and I'll drink it and then see what to do next.
Trying to load to shorten my video to fit the TikTok or Instagram. But it's taking ages to load. The hard disk is so slow.
Yeah. So I think something that's very useful is like repurposing content, and I've been trying to make use of this as much as possible, especially with On The Trend. Is whenever we make content for TikTok, I try to also repurpose it for Reels, like, and not just repurposing as in just posting it everywhere, but kind of editing it a little bit differently and then using it for Instagram or for whatever. Just repurposing content in general saves a lot of time, because it's very hard to come up with unique content for like a bunch of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's a lot of work for sure, so it's good to repurpose. So I just finished my coffee now, and I was thinking that, as I said, I want to make use of this daylight as much as I possibly can, even though it's Sunday, and usually I like to take Sundays to, like, you know, chill and calm down and really just get the house together and not do any work. But I'm trying to come up with new ideas for TikTok to film that revolve around On The Trend and the sunglasses, and I just want to come up with like really cool ideas for videos that I can do when it comes to the sunglasses. So I'm thinking I might try to shoot something right now, and we'll see how it goes. I just feel like I need to brainstorm and like take my thoughts out of my head and put them on paper, especially for this Sunday, because I feel like my head is very cluttered. Every time I start to not feel stressed, I feel like there's something wrong, because I feel like if I'm not stressed, then I don't have enough on my plate, or I'm not doing enough, or there's something that I could be doing more. So it's better to just kind of put my thoughts down on paper. Yeah, I want to show you guys a nail update. So I just repainted them yesterday, and I feel like my nails are really growing, even though I am not putting any type of vitamin on them or anything like that. But let me show you. Can you see it like this? Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna try to insert like a before picture. I'm pretty sure I took a before picture. This one is still kind of short because it broke. Like these two, actually, they broke. But these over here are getting pretty long. So if you guys can tell, I have like a dip in my nail, and that is because of when I used to get biogel. And yeah, I think it was, yeah, I would just get biogel, I wouldn't get anything else, but it 100% damaged my nails. It was like biogel polish, and then it would be also like an overlay over my nails and nail extensions, so it just absolutely damaged my nails. That's why I have that dip there, but I'm hoping that I can wait like maybe a few more months and my nails will grow and that dip will just kind of fade away. Now that they have grown out a little bit, I'm like so excited to go and get them done and get like a manicure and like maybe do like a French manicure, maybe shellac, but as I said, I would never do gel again or acrylic or any of that stuff. Shellac is a little bit softer on the nails, I know, so maybe I'll do that. But yeah, we have a little bit of sun right now, so I'm gonna start to try and shoot my TikTok before the sun leaves us, because you never know.
In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me.
I know, but these are things that we should have talked about earlier.
والبتاعة اللي اسمها اللي هو بصي visitors who added Hilal to cart were 69% more likely to add Tara as well.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday. It's 11:15 right now. I've been awake for quite a while, and I took a shower and got dressed because I didn't want to vlog while looking like a bum today, honestly, so I just thought, why not put a cute sweater on. I have a meeting in 15 minutes, so I just want to take this time right now to talk about what I have to do for the day. Yesterday, to be honest, I didn't really continue vlogging because I was in such a bad mood and I felt like nothing was going for me. It's just when I get in that like negative, I don't know, you're so loud.
I'm so loud ازاي؟ انا اصلا مخلي بالي يعني انت بتتكلمي وانا عامل موطي صوتي. اعمل ايه؟
Anyway, yesterday I got in such a negative mind space and I just felt like everything was going wrong and nothing was working out and my supplier wasn't replying to me, and it was just like a tornado of bad thoughts. So I thought, whatever, I'm just gonna put the camera down, and I stopped vlogging. But actually throughout the end of the day, my mood got a little bit better and my supplier got back to me and everything started rolling again. So today I'm great, doing very good. I have a to-do list that I've written down. I've mentioned this in a few videos before, but when I wake up I like to write down a to-do list for my day so that I know what I have to do and I'm not just like going about my day, you know, with like a lost mind. So yeah, today hopefully we're gonna get to spray painting the coffee table. Also, it's Bachelor Monday. Bachelor Monday. It's super sunny today. The weather, I was standing outside in the balcony and just like feeling the sunshine on my face, and it was warm. Like I was actually warm. So I don't know what's going on with the weather, but I was standing outside of my balcony and I was warm and I was happy. Yeah, but I'm gonna make my coffee right now and I have 9 minutes until I have to go to my meeting. So that's my only meeting that I've scheduled for today. Usually I don't schedule any other meetings on Mondays because I like to take Mondays to kind of brainstorm and get my head in the right space for the week and write down a to-do list and everything like that. So this is my only meeting for today, so I have 9 minutes to make my coffee. I'm gonna do that right now and then I will check back with you guys later.
You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's
That was so much fun.
So much fun. I spray painted my nose.
Spray painted your nose. I spray painted my
Your
biker
pants,
shorts. But it was so much fun. And I also spray painted one of the vases that we had. It was very fast, very quick, and very efficient. But I don't think we're gonna do another coat, صح? It's only one coat.
Don't think so.
Yeah, خلاص, just one coat and that's it. We have our coffee table on the ground right now. Very sad. بس anyway, please شيل التولز بتاعتك.
Why?
يعني
I
why?
need it again.
I know, but we're gonna need it again tomorrow.
for me. In the madness, wherever I may be.
Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So yesterday I didn't vlog at all because there was no sun whatsoever, so I wanted to show you guys like the end result of the coffee table, but I really wanted to show it to you in sunlight, so that's what I'm gonna do today. But we did have a major laundry day yesterday, so we've actually had our laundry piled up for like, it was like a mountain on top of the washing machine for so long. So we've just been doing a lot of laundry, and we still have 2 more rounds to go, or technically 3 because there's one in the washing machine that I have to dry. But okay, so I want to show you guys the final result of the coffee table. First, give us your reaction before they see the final result. What do you think?
I lost my pants and my slippers. Was it worth it?
There was a lot of sacrifices done to do this coffee table. We sacrificed slippers and pants, and I'm pretty sure I sacrificed my biker shorts as well, but it's okay. I think it's worth it. So here it is. Oh, this is so underwhelming. No, it kind of shows like this. But I love it. I think it looks so nice, and we actually made some changes to the decorations that we had over here. So I removed a lot of stuff from the table because I just felt like it looked way too crowded, and the media unit as well. It's a bit dusty right now because it gets dusty every day, but we removed a lot of the things that were over here and we just kept a few so that it doesn't look too crowded. I also spray painted this vase and I love it. I want to get some new eucalyptus to put over here, but I love it. I think it looks so cool with this next to it. And I changed the organization of this side table. I changed the organization of it a little bit. This vase that had stones in it was actually on the floor, so I put it up on the table and I put a candle there. And yeah, I just think it looks a lot more organized and a lot cleaner. And we have over there the magazine that we were featured in, so they gifted us like just a bunch of copies, like I think like around 20 something copies. So we have a few of them over there so that whenever friends come over we can give them a copy. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. I like it. It really gives me that 90s vibe that I was going for. I really like the whole dark theme that's trending right now, so with mostly blacks and lots of like beiges, and I feel like I'm already kind of going for that, but I felt like the silver of the coffee table was clashing a little bit with the style that I wanted to go for. So I really like how the black turned out, and I feel like I'm addicted now. So we still have spray left and I now feel like I want to spray everything. Adham disagrees with me spraying everything.
Them pictures for the old
for the old coffee table. There's a clip in this vlog of it. I showed a clip of it. But yeah, and we did some deep cleaning yesterday, even though the things get dusty in like a day, so I'm gonna have to like keep up with it. But we did some deep cleaning yesterday, which was good. What else do I have to say? We're watching the handball match right now, the Egyptian handball match, so we're just gonna continue to do that. It's the morning, we're just having our coffee right now. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the day, honestly. Today I have a lot to do with a new exciting project that we've been working on. I actually just received a package for it, so my den is looking very crowded. Let me show you guys. So my den is looking a mess right now, but this is a very exciting project that we're working on, so I can't wait to show you guys more of this, and I will definitely want to vlog the experience of me working on this because I think it's super interesting and very exciting. And yeah, that's basically it. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll probably vlog again next week, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.